Attention all 2020 political candidates. On Saturday, January 11th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., the award-winning PDM Political Film Studio in Upland will host an open house. Politicians, political candidates, campaign staffers, and political consultants are all invited to network, meet, and talk with our staff and tour the studio. There will be free food, drinks, raffles, gifts, and prizes. PDM Political Film Studio and Political Social Media Advertising produce professional, affordable, and effective in-studio and on-location political films, videos, and photography. In addition, PDM offers graphics, script writing, on-camera interviews, editing, film studio rentals, and targeted social media video advertising with guaranteed results. For more information, see www.pdmpoliticalfilms.com or call the political social media advertising experts at 844-907-7683.